Here's my experience how I propagated mint with just stems. There are many ways of propagating, like dividing the plant, but this is the way I've been doing it. So these are the steps. Before starting, you need to clean your scissors with rubbing alcohol to avoid spreading disease. Cut about 4 inches of the stem of mint. Make sure the cut is right below a node. And give it a good wash. Now we want to remove the leaves, but leaving just a few at the top. Now you don't have to throw the leaves away. I'm going to set aside these leaves to make some tea. Fill some small cups with purified water so that it covers a third of the stem. Make sure the water doesn't cover the leaves. And then you can put it by the window. A quick tip, it's ideal to change the water every 2 or 3 days. I did this for this time, but to be honest with you, for the other times I propagated my mint, I didn't actually do that and I still had success. But I think it's really wise for sanitary reasons. You don't want any disease issues. You need to change the water every 2 to 3 days. This is day 17. Only 5 stems out of 14 stems started to show some roots. So I'm going to plant these 5 and leave the rest and hope they'll grow. I'm using pre-moistened soil here. I place these stems in regular potting mix and I water every other day lightly, and then I feed them fish fertilizer every 2 weeks. At day 28, they have some new leaves. Day 37. Here is what they look like after another week. Already a lot more leaves have grown. And remember the slow growers? I checked on them on day 28 and some have great roots. 7 out of 9 of these stems left over grew. So I planted them as well in these small pots. On day 37, they also caught up. So, in total, 12 out of 14 of my mint cuttings successfully propagated. And here are some other mints from the past that I grew with the exact same process, and they all just somehow flourished.